The District Coordination Officer, Hafizabad District Government, Hafizabad, has stated that the monthly grant of GET for the employees of union administrations amounting to rupees 108 million has been reduced to rupees 76 million after deducting 15% economy cut from the releases for the months of November and December 2015. First off, the amount of salaries and pension has been increasing for the last 5 years. First off, resultantly, the pending amount of salaries, pension has increased to a great extent. First up, after devolution of present system, the employees working in the officer of UC in the cities of inhabitants less than 5 lakh will be adjusted in the other union councils, but the amount on account of pay pension of fund of these employees would not be paid from the former union councils. First up, the District Officer Community Organization Hafizabad has calculated an amount of rupees 50 million on account of arrears of salaries pension fund of the local council employees. First up, detail of the same is enclosed herewith. First up, the DCO Hafizabad has requested that supplementary grant to the tune of rupees 50 million may kindly be issued to clear the liabilities on account of pay pension contribution in respect of employees of union councils of Tehsil and District Hafizabad. First up, it is pertinent to mention here that this office has already requested to release the amount deducted on account of 15% economy cut from the monthly releases of November and December 2015. Wide page 422. First up, the case has been examined and observed that according to the budget book current expenditure volume 2 2015-16 rupees 6,000 million has been allocated for the union administration as grant in aid to union administration. First up, according to the finance department's circular letter dated 5 November 2015, Finance Department has been authorized to provide supplementary grant up to 5 million without the approval of the Chief Minister. If agreed, copy of the letter may be forwarded to Finance Department with the request to provide rupees 5 million as supplementary grant out of allocation of rupees 6,000 million allocated for the union administration as grant in aid during current financial year 2015-16 to district government Hafizabad to clear the liabilities on account of pay pension contribution in respect of employees of UCs of district Hafizabad as per draft for approval. First up,